Dear students, in this video, I am going to explain how to write the dimensional formula of a physical quantity. So to write the dimensional formula, so we need general formula. So let us see general formula of physical quantity and how to write the dimensional formula. So for first quantity, physical quantity, length, breadth, height, thickness, radius, perimeter, wavelength. So all are the physical quantities, but they have the same dimension formula. So actually they have no general formula. So length dimension formula L. So dimension formula expressed in terms of fundamental quantities. So in length, breadth, etc. there is no mass, there is no time. So 0 in mass, 0. So dimension formula of these quantities m0, L1, T0. Another physical quantity area. So area general formula length into breadth. Length dimension formula L, breadth dimension formula also L. So dimensional formula L into L, L square. So this can be written as m0, L2, T0. Next physical quantity volume. Volume general formula length into breadth into height. So length dimension formula, breadth dimension formula, height dimensional formula same, that is L. So dimensional formula L into L, that is L3. So finally dimension formula M0, L3, T0. So this is the dimensional formula for volume. Next physical quantity density. Density general formula mass by volume. So mass dimensional formula M, volume dimension formula L3. So M by L3. This can be written as M1 L minus 3 T0. L goes to numerator, becomes minus. So dimensional formula of density M1 L minus 3 T0. Next physical quantity specific gravity or relative density. General formula of specific gravity, it is the ratio of densities. That means density of given substance by density of water. So it is the ratio of densities. So same quantities, ratio of same quantities. It has no dimensions. So dimension formula not there. So it is a dimensionless quantity. Dimensionless quantity. So this can be written as M0, L0, T0. Next physical quantity speed or velocity. Speed is the scalar quantity, velocity is vector quantity. General formula for speed distance by time, velocity displacement by time. So dimension formula of distance displacement are the same, that is L. So dimension formula of time is T. So finally dimensional formula of speed or velocity L by T, that can be written as LT minus 1 in standard form M0 L1 T minus 1. Next physical quantity linear acceleration. Simply acceleration. So linear acceleration general formula rate of change in velocity, that is change in velocity by time. So dimensional formula of velocity LT minus 1 by time dimension formula T. So finally LT minus 2. Standard form M0 LT minus 2 is the dimensional formula of linear acceleration. Next physical quantity linear momentum. So linear momentum general formula mv, mass into velocity. So I had to write the dimensional formula of mass into dimensional formula of velocity. So dimensional formula of mass is m, velocity lt minus 1, that equals to m1 l1 t minus 1. Dimensional formula of linear momentum m1 L1 T minus 1. Next physical quantity, force. Force formula, general formula, mass into acceleration. We know that F is equal to ma. So force general formula, mass into acceleration. Dimensional formula, we have to write the dimensional formula mass and the dimensional formula of acceleration. Dimensional formula of mass is m. Dimensional formula of acceleration is L2 minus 2. So finally, dimensional formula of force mLt minus 2. Next physical quantity, impulse. Impulse general formula, force into time. So you have to write the dimensional formula of force into dimensional formula of t. Dimensional formula of force is mLt minus 2 into dimensional formula of time is t. So finally, dimensional formula of impulse is mLt minus 1. So mLt minus 2 into t minus 1. mLt minus 1. Next physical quantity, work or energy. Work or energy. The general formula of work, force into displacement. We know that W is equal to Fs, force into displacement. Force dimensional formula mLt minus 2, displacement dimensional formula L. So L into L square. So finally, the dimensional formula of either work or energy mL2 T minus 2. Next physical quantity, power. General formula of power, work by time. So power is defined as rate of work done. So work by time. So work dimensional formula by time dimensional formula. Work dimensional formula ml to t minus 2 by time dimensional formula t. So finally, we got the dimensional formula of power, that is ml to t minus 3. ml to t minus 3 is the dimensional formula for power. Next physical quantity, torque or moment of force. Torque or moment of force. So its formula, force into displacement. I had to write the force dimensional formula into displacement dimensional formula. Force dimensional formula mLt minus 2, displacement dimensional formula L. So finally, the dimensional formula of torque is mL2 T minus 2. mL2 T minus 2. Next physical quantity, angular velocity. Angular velocity general formula theta by t. It is denoted by omega. Omega is equal to theta by t. Angular displacement by time. Angular velocity is equals to angular displacement by time. So theta has no dimensions. T has the dimension t. So that is 1 by t. That can be written as m0 L0 t minus 1. Theta has no dimensions. It is a dimensionless quantity. Next physical quantity, moment of inertia. Moment of inertia general formula I is equal to mr square. Dimensional formula of mass is m. Dimensional formula of r is L and square. So ml square. So it's a dimensional formula ml2 t0. There is no t. t0. Next physical quantity, angular momentum. Angular momentum general formula mvr, mass into velocity into radius of the curved path. Dimension formula, mass dimension formula m, v velocity dimension formula lt minus 1, r radius, its dimension formula L. So finally, the dimensional formula of angular momentum is ml2 t minus 1. ml2 t minus 1. Next physical quantity, frequency. Frequency means number of vibrations made by the particle in 1 second time is called frequency. General formula, number of vibrations by time. Number of vibrations is the number. It has no dimensions and time has the dimensions. So finally, the dimensional formula of frequency is t minus 1. In standard form, we can write m0 L0 T minus 1. Next quantity, Planck's constant. So its general formula, energy by frequency. Planck's constant H formula, energy by frequency. Its dimension formula. So energy dimension formula ml to T minus 2 by frequency dimension formula T minus 1. So further simplification, so we got ml to T minus 1. The general formula Planck's constant is energy by frequency. The dimensional formula of Planck's constant is ml to T minus 1. Next physical quantity, specific volume. Specific volume means it is the ratio of volume and mass, volume by mass. Dimensional formula, dimensional formula of volume by mass. Dimensional formula of volume is L3, mass m. So it's a dimensional formula m minus 1 L3 T0, m minus 1 L3 T0. Next quantity is strain. Strain general formula, change in length by original length. It is the ratio of same physical quantities. So strain is the dimensionless quantity. Strain is the dimensionless quantity. Next physical quantity, velocity gradient. Velocity gradient general formula, velocity by displacement. So dimensional formula, so equals to dimensional formula velocity by dimensional formula of displacement. Dimensional formula of velocity LT minus 1 by displacement L. So LL get cancelled. So we can write L0 T minus 1. So standard form M0 L0 T minus 1 is the dimensional formula of velocity gradient. So next quantity, angular acceleration. So angular acceleration general formula, angular velocity by time. So angular velocity dimension formula T minus 1 by time T. So T goes to numerator finally. So we got the formula T minus 2. In standard form, the dimensional formula of angular acceleration is m0 L0 T minus 2. Next physical quantity, intensity of gravitational field. Intensity of gravitational field. Its general formula, force by mass. Dimensional formula, force dimension formula mlt minus 2 by mass dimension formula mm get cancelled. So we got lt minus 2. Finally its dimensional formula m0 lt minus 2. Next quantity, gravitational potential. Its formula work by mass. Gravitational potential formula work by mass. Its dimension formula, work dimension formula ml to T minus 2 by mass dimension formula m. So after simplification we got L to T minus 2. mm get cancelled. Write in standard form m0 L to T minus 2. Next physical quantity, universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant. So it is denoted by capital G. So you learned about universal gravitational constant in Coulomb's inverse square law of gravitation. F is equal to G into m1 m2 by r square. From that formula, G is equal to Fr square by m1 m2. Universal gravitational constant capital G formula, Fr square by m1 m2. In this formula, F means force, R means distance between two bodies, m1 mass of the first body, m2 mass of the second body. So dimensional formula, force dimension formula mlt minus 2, R means length, radius, they have the same dimension formula L2 by mass dimension formula m2 also m, that is m into m square. So after simplification, the dimensional formula of universal gravitational constant m minus 1 L3 T minus 2. Next physical quantity, stress or pressure. They have the same dimension formula, but their general formula F by A, force by area. So force dimensional formula mlt minus 2 by area dimension formula L2. So finally ml minus 1 t minus 2, ml minus 1 t minus 2. Next physical quantity electric charge. So electric charge formula Q is equal to IT. I means electric current, T means time. So dimensional formula I is the fundamental quantity and T also fundamental quantity. So IT is the dimensional formula. In standard form, this can be written as M0 L0 IT. Next physical quantity resistance. Resistance means the property of the conductor which opposes the flow of electrons passes through it is called resistance. So according to Ohm's law, so resistance formula R is equal to V by I. V means potential difference, I means current. So V formula, V also equals to W by Q, work by charge. We can write V formula W by Q into I. So this can be written as W by Q means IT into I. So Q means IT and into I. So W by I square T. W by I square T. Dimension formula. W means work dimension formula ml to T minus 2 by I square dimension formula I square. T also fundamental quantity T. Finally ml to T minus 2 by I square T. So that also equals to ml to T minus 3 I minus 2. Next quantity specific resistance. It is denoted by the symbol rho. Rho is equal to RA by L. Specific resistance also called resistivity. Its formula rho is equal to RA by L. R means resistance of the conductor. A means cross-sectional area. L means length of the conductor. Let us write dimension formula of resistance. ml to T minus 3 I minus 2 into A. A means area. Length into length. L square by L. Length means L. So after simplification, we got ml3 T minus 3 T minus 2. So the dimensional formula of specific resistance rho is equal to ml3 T minus 3 T I minus 2. Next quantity pressure gradient. Pressure gradient. Its formula pressure by length. Pressure by length. So we know that pressure dimension formula already learned how to write the pressure dimension formula. Now pressure dimension formula ml minus 1 T minus 2 by length dimension formula L. So finally m L minus 2 T minus 2.
Please do like, share this video and subscribe to our channel.